Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why are ants considered animals. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants belong to a class of insects and a family of arthropods having appendages, exoskeletons and segmented bodies. Moreover, they belong to kingdom Animalia and are included in the groups of animals that do not have backbones. Ants are considered animals as they are multicellular and heterotrophic organisms with complex cellular structures. Moreover, they can move, reproduce and respire. Furthermore, their physical appearance, the complexity of internal systems, the presence of sensory organs and glands, and social interactions make them animals. Ants share many physical and biological features with animals as their internal and external organs are similar to some extent but have varying complexity. The social behavior of these insects, cellular composition, heterotrophic nature, and other characteristics make them look and behave like animals. Ants are social organisms interacting in the environment and building reactions with other insects, plants, and animals. These are involved in symbiotic association with fungi, showing mutualism and providing protection to get food from them. In addition, you can find them interacting mutually with plants by protecting them from the attack of predators and fungi to get food from their fruit. Social interaction is a particular behavior of animals as they prefer to live in the form of groups. In the same way, ants form colonies and interact with each other to ensure their survival. Furthermore, they are also mutually associated with aphids to get a sugary substance or honeydew and protect them from the attack of other insects. Ants are multicellular organisms as their bodies are composed of multiple cells and varying shapes and sizes. Their cellular structure is similar to those of animals as they have a cell membrane and lack a cell wall. Moreover, they have chloroplast and a small vacuole inside the cell. Every cell becomes a part of specialized tissue and organ that is involved in crucial functions like breathing, food digestion and transfer of fluid to different body parts. These have millions of cells distributed all over their body as there are almost 250,000 cells in the brain and around 40,000 cells in the heart. Similarly, higher animals contain multiple cells in different regions of their bodies, so they are also considered animals with complex body organization. Animals are able to move, and motility is one of the prominent characteristics that allow them to change their location by running and crawling. Moreover, ants show irregular movement patterns and crawl on the ground, while some species can even jump higher into the air. They have 6 legs on their bodies that support the movement, and their sticky feet allow them to move on the walls and ceilings. Furthermore, they are fast crawlers that can leave a cheetah behind as they can cover almost 0.1 to 0.2 miles distance in 1 hour. Humans and larger animals have lungs in their bodies that help them breathe appropriately by filtering the air through air sacs. Similarly, ants have spiracles on their abdominal region that act as breathing pores, allowing them to transfer oxygen to the internal system. They have 18 to 20 spiracles arranged on the side of their abdomen, allowing them to breathe for almost a day when they cannot get oxygen underwater. Moreover, these breathing pores are connected to fine tubes or trachea that allow oxygen distribution to different body regions. Ants can reproduce, making them animals as they can reproduce sexually and produce fertilized offspring. It is a complex phenomenon that involves searching for a partner, selecting a compatible mate, and the mating process leading to the fertilization of eggs. Their colonies have reproductive males and females that are only grown for mating purposes to ensure the colony's survival. In addition, the queen lays eggs that need to be fertilized by sperms to produce larvae. The queens engage males in a nuptial flight when they can reach almost 250 to 300 feet higher in the air with the help of wings. After fertilization, the female partner begins to lay eggs after landing on the ground and give rise to a new colony, and the cycle continues this way. Ants also have complex internal systems like secretory glands and digestive and nervous system that can help digest food and produce chemical secretions. They are sensitive to environmental changes as their sensory receptors allow them to detect unfavorable changes. Their digestion process is simple because they consume simpler compounds that are easier to break and digest. Moreover, they have internal and external organs that control all biological functions involving food digestion after consumption and waste material excretion. They have a nervous system based on a long nerve cord running from the head to the abdomen that can help them detect injuries. They do not have a 4-chambered heart but possess a tube-like structure that helps circulate hemolymph in different body regions. Animals are heterotrophic organisms that consume producers to get their nutrition as they cannot prepare their food like plants. They eat plants and other insects to obtain food instead of preparing it by themselves as plants do by photosynthesis. Ants also depend on available food materials like fruits, seeds, smaller insects, and even birds, as they cannot produce food for themselves. Furthermore, they feed on honeydew, juicy fruits, and dead organic matter produced by aphids, plants, and other insects. They can also eat food leftovers that humans prepare like baked items, sweet dishes, and juices. So these are heterotrophic organisms, which makes them true animals. Thanks for watching the video.